Hey friends and strangers to be new friends, so welcome to my messy front yard on North Padre on Texas. So these are all oak laminate strips, thin strips, I don't know, 1/8 of an inch or less, that took off my cargo trailer plywood from the wall sheeting. And here's my 8.5 by 16 Continental cargo trailer. And let me show you the latest thing I just did. So I got tired of the extension cord because I use shop vac to clean things up, because you gotta be more orderly than this. It's just state of the nature of work stuff and trying to work on my cargo trailer. So as you can see, that I've insulated nearly everything, and I got a little more work to do on those triangles there. That's 90 degrees, and if I remember my algebra, I could figure out ABC, which I remember the formula anyway. Nevertheless, so this is the latest thing, going back to the extension cord. So I have installed this, what I guess people call Ensure Power. So it's just basically a ready-made outlet. You got the male fitting on the trailer itself, and plug in my extension cord. Stays there all the time, so I just need to plug in the extension cord. And this is basically a 110, 120 volt. Okay, what's coming from the house, and they make things like this far as the insulated capsule. I'll call it a capsule for 30 amp, 50 amp. When you want to go to like an RV park to plug in one of those heavy duty, I don't know, 4-gauge wires, whatever, to power up the entire RV, or in my case, cargo trailer conversion. And I'm not going to probably ever go to RV park anyway, but so it makes life easier. I just plug in another extension cord here, so I can plug in more stuff like my phone charger and my shop vac there. So what I am doing today is electrical wiring, continue with that process, mostly installing speaker wire, 18 gauge, 18.2. All right, so I couldn't find just solid wire, and everything recommended I've seen online saying, hey, use stranded wire, blah, 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 things like that. So I am using speaker wire because it's going to carry basically 12 volt, not much of an amperage draw, so all good. So I went underneath the trailer, and I just got this. I can't believe I didn't have a 3-inch hole saw. So this is a Lennox 3-inch hole saw. Okay, cost me about 22 bucks. So what I am doing is drilling 3-inch hole, because this is gonna go through my beautiful bamboo, hard bamboo flooring. It's scratched up, so what, but once I complete it, I'll get it nice and shiny. All good. I'm not anal. It's all right. It's part of life. So we'll drill that baby. I came from underneath. Checked out where the metal frame is for the trailer. Got an opening. Gonna cut one here and cut one on the other side, equal distance. Okay. So this part here, a shield's gonna go underneath, and this is basically a vent. It's gonna go on top. Okay, what am I gonna use this for? If you think you have an idea, let me know, because it's awful hot and humid still in South Texas. Cheers. Oh, by the way, please like this video and my other videos, and subscribe to my channel if you think it's interesting. Cheers.